Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install FFmpeg on your MacBook laptops. So your MacBook can be M1, M2, M3 or M4, any version of Apple Silicon. So if you don't know, FFmpeg is a powerful command line tool for any kind of media processing like audio, video and image. So you can re-encode video, you can change the content and format like from MOV to MP4 and lots of other stuff with audio, video and images. So let's directly dive into that. First thing is you have to go to this website called ffmpeg.martinriddle.de. As you can see here, it is ffmpeg.martin-riedl.de. Okay, I'll put the link in the video description. So once you land on this page, you have to make a decision based on your system. So if your one is Apple Silicon Mac, then you will choose the ARM64 version. But if your Mac is an earlier one, like something before 2020, then you can choose the Intel version. So here we have few different options. First one is Snapshot build, and we have release build. So if you are very FFmpeg enthusiast, like if you need the latest features of FFmpeg like AV1 encoding, PCC encoding and all other new stuff, then you can download the Snapshot build. But if you are a beginner or need the basic video encoding functionality, you can be good with the release builds. So if I scroll down here, I can see that I can download the release build from here. I have zip option and also direct installer option. So if you want to manually place your FFmpeg into the installer directory, you can download the zip, but you have to manually tweak something like moving the downloaded file to the installation directory. But if you download the PKG installer, you do not have to do that. Okay, so let's go with the PKG installer. Here one thing is FFmpeg is the main tool which have the power to convert and compress videos. FFprobe is for probe purpose. I mean, you can get some information of the video, like if a video have 3 different audio and 2 different subtitle and some other additional info, you can dive into the internal encoding, codec, audio format, etc. with FFprobe. And FFplay is a command line player. So if you want to play video from command line instead of VLC media player, you can use FFplay. So in this video, we'll show you how to install FFmpeg as it is the main tool here. So let's download the release build of Apple Silicon, and I'm downloading the FFmpeg installer PKG. I'm allowing to download, and once the download is complete, I can go to the download folder, or I can just open it from here by double clicking. So once I double click, a new window will show up for installation of FFmpeg. I'm clicking on continue, clicking on install. It will ask for the password, of course. I'm giving my password and pressing enter, and the installation is successful. For some newer version of Mac, you may be blocked from installation. Then you have to go to system setting and allow download anyway. Okay, so far we have downloaded and installed FFmpeg on our M2 Apple Silicon Mac. So now I'll show you how to actually use FFmpeg. So first of all, let's verify our installation. So I'm opening my terminal and typing FFmpeg-version, and you can see that latest stable version is installed. So now if you want to know where is FFmpeg installed, there is a command called command-v space FFmpeg. So it is installed under user local bin FFmpeg directory. So that's it guys, this is how you can install FFmpeg. If you want to learn more about FFmpeg, how to use it, you can check out my other videos. The command are pretty much same for all operating systems once you have installed. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.